Hey everyone, I'm Steve. Welcome back to Kettle Ranch. I'm not doing the CNC today because the weather's been so nice. I've been busy lambing and moving pigs around, but I had to come out here and show you guys what's going on in the apiary. As you can see, I'm surrounded by bees right now. It looks like we had 3, maybe 4 hives over winter, and they are all out right now going crazy. I knew to come over and look at them because they're on the other side of the property and looking for water, looking for food. I put some quick food out for them. I'll have to show you guys my improvised feeding for the day. I wanted to get them on food and on some pollen substitute too. Might as well. It's March 3rd or 4th. I've been so busy with bottle babies, feeding the lambs every 2 hours. Anyway, I'll take you over to where I have the feeder. I just have an outside feeder set up, improvised off a hive top feeder. Put on one side, I put the actual 1-to-1 syrup. On the other side, I put some pollen, artificial pollen. So we'll run over there in a bit. It's about 30-40 yards from the apiary, and it's working well. No sign of any yellow jackets or hornets yet. Of course, we don't expect them. They have to build in the springtime. Let's move over there and take a look at what's going on. It's pretty active. All right, with modern editing, I'm magically out where I have a feeder on an old hay pile. And you can see the bees are all over it. On the right side of your screen, that's pollen substitute. And Ultra Bee, I believe it was, that I put in there. That whole bottom was covered this morning when I set it out. So they have been busy as all get out. On the left side, I had a full gallon of 1-to-1 syrup. And that, they're working down. You can see a lot of dead bees in there. But I have the straw in there for them to crawl on and hopefully keep from drowning. I have a feeling that they're just eating so much of that sugar water that they're going to sleep and falling in and drowning, which is sad, but that happens. As usual, if you like our content, please like and subscribe, share with friends. Promise I will be getting back in doing the CNC work coming up real quick. It's been busy as all get out. I hope you enjoyed this short update. Everyone stay safe and healthy. Take care. Bye.